Hello students, today we are solving one of the question of JEE Main April 2023 of wave optics. Let's look at the given data of the question. For wavelength 400 nanometer, they have given us width of the fringe is 2 mm and they have asked us what will be the width of fringe for 600 nanometer. So writing the data, I get lambda 1 and lambda 2 is 400, 600. Fringe width for 400 is 2 mm and fringe width for 600 has been asked. Using the formula for fringe width, that is capital X is equal to lambda capital D by small d, as there is no data of capital D and small d known, that is distance between the source and screen and distance between two slits. Hence, using the relation X is directly proportional to lambda, as there are two datas, I am writing equation x1 directly proportional to lambda 1, x2 directly proportional to lambda 2. Therefore, using these two equations, I solve x2 by x1 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Since lambda 2 and lambda 1 and x1 is known to me, I take this term over here, that is x1 gets multiplied over here. We obtain, now substituting these values, lambda 2 is 600, lambda 1 is 400 and x1 is 2 mm. Now when I solve this, I get a ratio of 3 by 2 of 600 by 400, that is 3 by 2 into this 2, which gets cancelled. Therefore, I get fringe width for the second wavelength has 3 mm. That's the required solution. Thank you so much.